been following my keyboard saga, I got a new package from ProArch. Oh. Wow. So as you guys saw, one of the coolest features about this keyboard is that it's foldable, and that makes it really easy to transport from place to place. If you feel like you're tired of studying at home, you can take it to a coffee shop or to the library, which is something I personally love doing, is getting outside of my normal study space. And so I'll definitely be taking this keyboard along with me. Another super cool feature is that it has a screenshot button that you can use, which is that tiny little camera that you see on the keyboard. It works with Windows and Mac products, which I think is so cool, and it's just so easy to pack into my bag and my laptop case. So I will definitely be using this.